Hey Birds4Life Fam, it's me Tyler and welcome back to my channel. As seen by the title, I'll be showing you how I clean my bird cage and the bird room. In today's video, we are featuring the Shark IQ robot vacuum with Wi-Fi and home mapping. This video is not sponsored by Shark. When you have a bird, cleaning will never end. This is probably all bird owners' least favorite part of owning birds. But cleaning is very important as it promotes proper hygiene and also prevents illness, specifically bacterial infections. If your cage is kept dirty and the cage around it, bacteria and mold will grow. A good cleaning schedule for your bird cage is once a week, while cleaning the area around your bird cage should be cleaned twice a day. Spot cleaning, such as cleaning poop on perches, should be done as needed. Owning a bird requires you to clean very often, and you can sometimes get very tired of cleaning. I'm here to introduce the Shark IQ vacuum. Investing in a good vacuum will make your life very easy. The Shark IQ robot vacuum not only cleans your floor, but also cleans your rugs. The robot vacuum cleans row by row and navigates to the next room to assure a total home cleaning. The Shark robot has 3 power levels. The dustbin is extra large and has a high efficiency filter that captures dust, debris, and pet allergens. The robot vacuum also features a self-cleaning brush to remove pet hair such as bird feathers. I downloaded the Shark cleaning app, and within 2 to 3 cleanings, it already has mapped out my entire house. In the app, you can tell the robot to go to a specific room such as the bird room. You can set your Shark vacuum to clean on a certain day and time. You can also connect your Alexa to send your vacuum to clean. In the app, you can set flow zones. The Shark vacuum comes with a docking station, which it returns to automatically when it's finished cleaning or about to die. The best thing about the vacuum is that it remembers where it left off at in case it dies and has to return back to the dock. To charge, after it has charged up to 100%, it will resume cleaning where it left off. Here is the vacuum in action. Today I'll be cleaning Bluey and Greenie's cage, aka cage. Let's begin. First are some things you use to clean your bird cage. Never use any household cleaners or chemicals, for example, Clorox, bleach, and Lysol, which are very dangerous to birds. The main thing I use to clean my bird cage is a solution of 50% water and 50% distilled vinegar, or use a non-scented dish soap with a little vinegar inside. The solution is antibacterial, which can prevent infections. Having cage liner is very important. I will use newspaper and Tiko Bought bedding. Now let's start off. I take out everything from the cage and then I wash the perches after. Washing the perches, I clean the grate and cleaning the tray. After that, I wash the entire cage down. I then hand wipe everything while the cage is drying outside. After I finish drying the cage, I put the toys back. Now,
This is that once in a lifetime.
robot vacuum will go clean birds area. Thanks to this vacuum, I saved some time for cleaning bird seeds, bird feathers, and dust. All cleaning items mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.